Hello friends, to create digibyte Autopay bot, first of all search bot father on your Telegram. Then go to first bot and then use inline keyboard and create new bot. Set your bot name. Here I am setting digibyte Autopay bot. You can set anything you want. Then set a unique username of your bot so users can find your bot by searching your username. So I am setting a unique username here. Then simply you will get a API key. As you can see, I here got the API key. Simply copy that API key and then search @KC bot father bot. Then you can see our official bot. Simply click on it and start it. After you start it, here you will see 4 buttons. Click on create DGB bot. After you click on create DGB bot, you will receive a message and then send your API key to the bot. Then your bot will successfully connect with our bot. Then simply send admin panel in our KC bot father bot and then open your bot. You see, here you can see I open my bot. And after start, here you can see undefined list. Then open admin panel in this bot. Our admin panel is opened successfully. Here you can see many buttons. So here you can control your whole bot using this simple admin panel. Then set here currency digibyte. Don't set any other currency in this bot. Set only digibyte. After that, set your referral bonus as much you want to pay your users for referral earning. After that, set a daily bonus users can earn free by your daily bonus. Here I am setting daily bonus 1. After that, you can set your all settings. I am pinning this message. Here you can set also minimum withdraw, so user can mini withdraw. After that, set your whole channel list here. And when you add channels in this bot, must make your bot admin in that channel. Without making admin, the bot will not work, and must compulsory add 4 channels in this bot. Here I am set 3 channels, then I am setting 4th channel. You can also set 1 channel 2 times. Here successfully set my 4 channels. Then you can set payment channel. All your transaction will go to the payment channel. So I set here payment channel and must make bot admin in payment channel also and give permission to post message in payment channel. So here I am opening as you can see, I have opened my official channel and make the bot admin in there. This is must process, guys. Without doing this, your bot will not work. So everything is done fine. Now start the bot again. I am starting the bot again. As you can see, here channel list has been added and the joint command is also working. And here we can check our new commands. The balance is working. Referral is also working. Now I will check the referral earning. I copied link and opened it in my second account and started the bot using my second account and joined the channel and click the join button. After your main menu open, as in my main account, you can see that I have got referral bonus. Here bonus is also working. So let's open our main account. Here you can see I received 1 digibyte from my referral. So the bonus is also working here also. Here you can see now I will set just my wallet. The wallet said you can copy your address from Trust Wallet or any other exchange of digibyte. So simply I copied this address. Don't skip this video, otherwise you will not get full information. And in any help you can contact me on Telegram. So here my channel has been set. Now search your KC bot father again to make payment setting. Now here you can see 4th button, generate DGB wallet. Simply click on the generate DGB wallet button. Your bot is full setting. Just you have to set now gateway. After that you will get address and private key here, as you can see. Simply copy the address and private key and then open your admin panel in your bot. I opened my admin panel. Here you can see you have to click on payment gateway and change payment gateway. Then set the address you got from generate DGB address button. As you can see, I send this button. Don't send your address from Trust Wallet. Now I am setting my wallet private key. I send this wallet private key from generate DGB wallet button. Now simply copy this private key and then open SafePal application. As you can see, I open my SafePal application. Then you have to click on import wallet. Then you have to import this wallet using private key. So software wallet you have to import. Then click on buy private key. Then enter your security password simply. After enter security password, enter your private key. Then select network as digibyte. And after set in name of your wallet, and then import your wallet. After that, simply send some digibyte as fund in this wallet. All your withdrawal payments will go through this wallet, so keep some fund in this wallet. So here I am in city trip and sending 2 gigabyte to that address. It's in processing. After some time we will see it has been successfully paid. So here I am checking it by refreshing. Fund is not received. So refresh one more time. We will wait some time. Here withdrawal is successful. Now we will check here. Here you can see that I am received 2 gigabyte as fund. Must keep gigabyte here as fund. Now I will check withdrawal. Here my balance is 2 and I have associated my wallet. And in my trust wallet you seen that my balance was 0. I withdrawn 1 gigabyte from here. And after 1 gigabyte it will taking processing. Sometimes it can also be stuck. So try again. Here I am trying again. Here this is in processing. So let it cancel. Try new withdrawal. This is also processing and this is successfully done. Withdrawal is successful. Yes, you can see. And also it posts one notification in my payment channel. I deleted it. And now you can see that in SafePal application 1 gigabyte has been paid to my address. Now I simply go to Trust Wallet and check this that I received it or not. If you are new user on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. And here you can see that I am searching gigabyte. Yes guys, this is we received 1 gigabyte. Blockchain not completely processed, though it is not showing in my transaction history. But I received it 1 gigabyte from my digibyte Autopay bot. So in below you can see a subscribe button. Click on it and like our channel and join our Telegram channel to get more updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.